So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Potentially the end of Uber Eats. Want to read this one?
Yeah. What is Alameda?
Yeah, Alameda.
Is that NorCal?
Yeah, I think so. Alameda County.
Oh, okay. So they passed a permanent delivery fee cap even as Uber Eats threatens exit.
There was an ordinance cap to cap fees for food delivery companies on the same 3-2 voting line as in the first ordinance vote. So Mayor Marilyn Ezzy Ashcraft said the city council received a slew of messages from couriers just before the meeting asking the council not to pass the ordinance. And she said during the discussion that the company should pay drivers better. Uber sent a letter before the meeting began making one last plea for a tiered fee system. We made many attempts to engage with the city leaders. But yeah, so Uber Eats might leave this area because of this ordinance. So it sounds basically like the government's kind of stepping in and being like, you guys got to pay Uber drivers more. And Uber Eats just said, well, we'll just leave instead.
Oh, wow.
What do you think about that?
That's crazy.
I mean, that's basically what Uber did in California when California was going to have to force Uber to make drivers employees.
Oh, yeah.
And Uber said, okay, we'll just leave. We'll leave California then. That's exactly what they said.
Wow.
Yeah, they were like, we're not going to be in California then if we have to pay drivers a fair wage.
Oh, and then in New York, they sued the city.
Anytime the government gets involved, Uber just said, all right, well, we'll leave then. Because the government wants to make sure people can pay their bills and stuff.
Yeah.
And they get good minimum wage at least and pay time off, benefits. Like, they care. The government, I know a lot of people have mixed feelings about the government, but there are people in the government who want to make sure people are getting, medical benefits, like paid time off, and they're getting overtime pay and all that stuff.
Yeah.
To help support their family. They don't want people to go homeless. Like, that's not good for the government. Because then, yeah, it just creates all sorts of problems. So that's potentially the end of Uber Eats. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.